Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your room door lock password. First, you'll need to locate the programming button on your lock, which is often found on the interior side of the door or under the battery cover. Once you've found it, enter your existing master code on the keypad. This grants you access to the lock settings. After entering the master code, press the designated Program or Set button to begin the code change process. This initial step is crucial for ensuring secure access to your lock's features. Now that you're in programming mode, it's time to set your new passcode. Carefully input your desired new code, which typically consists of 4 to 10 digits, depending on your lock model. After entering it the first time, you'll need to confirm the new code by entering it a second time. This two-step process helps prevent errors. Listen for an audible beep or watch for a visual indicator, like a green light, which confirms that your new code has been successfully accepted by the lock. This ensures your new code is correctly stored. After setting your new code, it's essential to test it immediately to ensure everything is working as expected. Close the door completely, making sure it's fully latched. Then, on the exterior keypad, enter the newly programmed code. The lock should respond by retracting the bolt, allowing you to open the door. If the door unlocks smoothly and correctly, you've successfully changed your password. This verification step is critical to confirm your new code is active and functional, providing peace of mind. To maintain optimal security, always choose a strong, memorable, and unique code. Avoid easily guessable sequences such as birthdays, anniversaries, or simple patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4. A good code combines random numbers and is not associated with personal information. For enhanced security, consider changing your door lock code regularly, perhaps every 3 to 6 months. This practice significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and keeps your home or room secure. Prioritizing these security best practices is vital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.